Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always I'm here in the warehouse rummaging around the boxes to see what I can find for your classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I've managed to find. So first up this week we've got the slide hammer for the valve rocker spindle and contact breaker trigger plate removal kit. That is part number 064298 and it's £22.62 including VAT. Part number 132190, the disc brake caliper overhaul full kit. That's 2 stainless steel pistons, 3 seals, bleed screw, cap, rubber cover and end cap is £67 and 14p including VAT. Got the N3C spark plug from Champion, that's part number 600911, that's £4.74 including VAT. Back in stock 060006, that's the front brake shoes 8-inch diameter pair, that's £51 and 54p including VAT. We've got the Heidenau tyre, that's the 90H19 size, universal for front or rear of your bike, that's Heidenau 90/90H19 and it's £131 and 94p including VAT. And finally this week, the twin leading shoe 8-inch front brake plate assembly including shoes and stiffening kit for the 8-inch hub, that is part number 063281 and that's £570 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week, don't forget, as always, you can check out the Andover Norton website by simply going on there and searching for the item that you need for your bike. Sadly, this is the last back in stock video that we're going to be doing for a while now. We'll still be doing back in stock items on our Facebook and Instagram pages, so you can check out what's come back into the warehouse on there. But we've got some brand new content coming very, very soon, so we're going to go away and work hard on that, and hopefully you'll enjoy it when you see it. Right, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching, and as always, safe riding.